Barely 2 weeks after the Association of Bar Owners protested over the newly proposed license fees on all entertainment joints in the city, Governor Johnson Sakaja ceded to their plea. The bill that was assented to by Governor Sakaja seeks to restrict the sale of alcohol to take home, introduced alcohol-free zones, and restricted the sale of alcohol by wines and spirit shops outside designated areas. The bill also proposed an increment of license fees from the current 50,000 shillings to 100,000 shillings. Responding to their discontent, Sakaja agreed to consider some of the contentious provisions.
Because I want to hear and listen so that we agree. I think it's important for us to agree on what needs to be done so that when we execute, we are all on the same page.
He further appealed to the operators to stage a fair business playing field with only 30% of 3,000 outlets having licenses.
You will make more profit in an orderly industry than in a disorderly industry. We will protect our people in an orderly industry. There will be no counterfeit. We will reduce the issue of, illicit alcohol or fake things in your establishments. We will save lives. And you will make more money where there is order. I'm sure you have colleagues who work in other countries and in other parts of the world. They will tell you where they've been able to make the most profit, because your imperative must be beyond just profit, but where they've been able to make the best. Pali wameweza kufanya vizuri, biashara ile nzuri, ni pali kumekuwa na mpangilio. Na pali kila mtu anaelewa haya ndo masharti na kila mtu anayafuata.
A joint committee comprising of representatives from the county government and the Association of Bar Owners have since been formed to review the existing fee structure and propose amendments that align with the interests of both parties.
We'll form a working group between us that has 7 days. Me, I don't like committees in a kazi juu miezi 3 mnataka muextendiwe na watu wanaumia. Siku 7 kuniletea what you've agreed. Look at those proposals. Be creative. Sawa sawa. Nyinyi pia msitake kutunyonga na sisi tusiwanyonge. Tukubaliane kila baa haifanani. Kuna category. Mtu wa keg haezi lipa kama Amor.
The association's heads further appeal for the centralization of licenses, claiming to be paying for 29 different licenses.
Mambo ambayo tumesikizana ya kwanza ni digitalization. Tunataka ya kwamba the whole system ikuwe digitalized. Ndio tuache kuinvolve watu ambapo inabidi watu watoe corruption na mambo mengine. So leo tumekuja kusema kwamba tunamshukuru gavana kwa sababu ya kushirikiana na sisi na sababu ya kutuita mkutano ya leo na ya kutusikiza.
Lamek Kagutu, K24 TV, Nairobi.